Well, today's top challenges for manufacturers are really 5 key areas, with the most important one being labor. Just the availability of labor that has the right skill sets, and being able to retain those folks is by far the number one challenge that manufacturers are facing today. But other challenges are supply chain. There's been a lot of disruptions over the past few years, and just the cost of transportation can fluctuate from time to time as well too. So making sure you have a dependable supply chain is really key. In the macro economy, there's inflation concerns. There's also the instability of foreign relations that can have an impact on your business as well too. But there are definitely things that a manufacturer can control as well, which is your operational efficiency. So really defining your processes, making sure you refine them to be as efficient as possible, and then employing the technology that you need to be able to make better decisions. And then finally, understanding your distribution model, like how do you have visibility to the inventory you've got at your distributors or retailers? What can you do to enhance that so you can better manage your inventory? And then what is your best distribution model in the future? Could that include something like e-commerce? If your distributors are posting your products out on Amazon today, do you need an approach where you can be able to interact with your end consumers directly? So those are all things that manufacturers are really thinking about today and are going to really define where they go in the future.